This is going to be a video that is going to explain to you how you can use Microsoft Word in order to make yourself a bibliography. Because for your projects, you need to have 5 sources, and it has to be in bibliography format. That is kind of annoying to try to get it into bibliography format if you don't already know what you're doing. So my best suggestion is to use the bibliography creator, which is in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you're going to do is open Microsoft Word and open just a blank document. There are the icons along the top. You're going to click References. Then you're going to click Manage Sources. I already have a couple sources in here that I started from earlier, so I'm going to show you guys how to make new sources. You'll put your sources into the current list, and then from there we can create a bibliography. So these are sources that will stay in here forever because I created them, so if I ever do another document and I need one of these sources in my bibliography, it'll be really easy. If I want it to go over to the current list, I just click Copy, and it moves it over. And then I would click this one, Copy, and it moves it over. So I'm supposed to have 5, which means I need 3 more. So I'm going to click New. The drop-down box here is what kind of source it is. So if it's a source from a book, you click Book. And then this is the information you need if it's a book. If it's an article, here's the information you need if it's an article. Most of the stuff you guys do is probably going to be websites, which is fine. So I'm going to click Website. Now this is all the information that should go into a bibliography for a website. However, in a website, you might not have all of that. If you don't have all of it, it's okay. You just need as much information as you can find on that website. So let's say that I don't know who the author is. I'm just going to leave it blank. Say the website or the web page I try to go to is, give me a topic. We'll say the Holocaust. So maybe the web page or the article at the top of the web page is called What Happened During the Holocaust. So that's what I'll type here. Whatever the title of the web page is. And we'll say I got that from the National History Day site. So I'll say National History Day website. This will be when I access it. So it's 2018. It's January, and today is the 18th. And then here will be the URL. So I'm just going to make up one for our purposes here. www.nhd.org. This isn't a real website. I'm just making one up so that you can see what it looks like. And then I click OK. And then because I just added it, it'll appear on both sides. So when I'm ready to make my 4th one, I just click New, and then I have a blank slate. What I would do, or what I would suggest is that you guys copy down these things, author, name of web page, name of website, so that you remember what kind of information you're looking for. Copy it all down into a piece of paper, and then you can just enter all of them at the same time instead of trying to go back and forth, which could get annoying. All right, so once you're happy with your current list and everything is in there that you need, you're going to close this out. And then you're going to go to this little icon that says Bibliography. And choose the format you like. I think I would just go with the first format. And then Microsoft Word creates your bibliography for you. You can just print that or attach it to your paper or whatever you want. So you don't have to worry about spaces or anything like that. All right.